Hey, it's Ben. I was sent these mesh screen covers to check out, so let's open them up and try them out. Comes with this installation and chart size chart. And here's a close look at one of the mesh covers. The mesh is white on mine here, and it's a white border on the outside. And if you turn it over, you can see the magnets. So I think these are actually magnetic all the way around. And maybe these are stronger magnets, I'm not completely sure, but this part is definitely sticking to the metal. This actual size is not the size we would need if we purchase these, but it gives you an idea of how it attaches on. It's definitely stuck on there. So as you can see, it creates a mesh over the top, and this will keep debris, dust, animal fur, things from going down into your ducts. That's what it's designed to do, and I could see it definitely doing that because this is a very fine mesh, and it will also not obstruct airflow from coming through. So if you'd like to keep your air ducts cleaner, this is a great way to do it. It's a good product. This is creating a good seal all the way around. Obviously, we would want it to go all the way to the end, so I'd want to get the right size. So make sure you do get the right size for your grates. That gives you an idea of what it would look like just on one end, like assuming it's going to fit. So here's a closer look. You can see the mesh. Seems real durable. It's not metal, so it's some kind of vinyl material or something similar. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.